So we got Mama, we got Baby, and we got really teeny tiny Baby. Okay, so cute. Let's review it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. In today's new video, I'm going to be reviewing another dollskill bag. I don't shop from them a lot, but I do love their Sugar Thrills bags. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the itty bitty one that's so cute that I'm probably never gonna use because it's so stinking cute. After watching this video, of course, go check out any of my other videos. Remember to check out my Instagram, eBay, Twitter, PO box, all the stuff down below. And let's get started on today's video. But wait. Before I review it, I gotta show you guys how tiny this is. Here are some size comparisons. Here is the bag next to my cat. It is about the size of the cat. Her is in her nest. Her's going to go to sleep. Here is the bag next to the paper bag that held my blueberry scone this morning. It was delicious. Yes, about the same size as that. And here is the bag on the piano for some reason. I don't even know. But yes, it is much smaller than the piano. Wow, who knew? It's so big. So here it is. It's so tiny compared to the large one, which I've already showed in the intro. Love the Shagadelic Sugar Thrills brand of dollskill bag. They're so cute. I have all three of them now. Now I want the purple one too. It's awful. They just steal all your money. And it's the same kind of faux fur. If this was a color, this would be my favorite color. This bubblegummy pastel-y pink rainbow unicorn explosion. And they have such a good shape to them, but as I'll show later, the shape does wear off over time. The stitching is good. It's really cute. I love bags that are super cute and still a good deal. So like this is only, sometimes it goes on sale for like $16, but it's more like $20, where the medium one I think is, it used to be $30, but now it's like $40, because yay. And then the large one used to be $40, but now it's $50, and sometimes they'll go on sale for $40 or $30. But yeah, that is the little bag. Is so cute. It does come with a strap. It is just the perfect, if there was a bag that was more perfect than this, I'd be impressed. Maybe if they could somehow figure out to make it into an Ita bag, that would be so cute. But yeah, I am aware that dollskill is fast fashion, and I've only bought these 3 bags, maybe 4 bags from them because they're just super kawaii. So yeah, I bought this with my own money. None of this is sponsored. Here is the strap. It looks really cute on. It's very small, very convenient if you like small purses. Here, let me show you the inside. The inside of this one has no back pocket, but there's the branding Sugar Thrills. I love it. And yeah, these bags can last a long time, but if you'll remember, I did a review back in 2019 of the dollskill Shagadelic regular medium-sized purse, which as you can see has been loved. This has lasted me 2 years. My only complaint is these handles are quite disgusting when they break down. It doesn't fit the vibe at all. Does anyone know how to repair these handles? Because I absolutely still love the big size of the bag, and you know, I don't intend on using this because it's so stinking cute. I'm gonna freaking die. Yeah, does anyone know how to repair this plastic stuff? I don't know how to sew purses, so yeah, give me your ideas down below. So overall, I do love these bags. They do last a long time. I just need to know how to repair them, so. Only buy fast fashion when you need to or really want to. Don't bother doing hauls or any of that because that's just really bad for the environment in the end. So yeah, but anyway, that's my review of this cutesy patootsy little whittle bag. The little strap, just swing it all around everywhere. Wow. So yeah, any purse enthusiasts, tell me how to fix those type of handles down below in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Have you got any of these dollskill bags? Yeah, tell me what you think. I love you guys. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that super fun video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out any of my other videos if you want to, and check out all the links down in the description below, and I will see you guys later. Bye!